Your hair. Can you come get closer to over here for your hair?
Alright, should I try it? Should I try it?
Yeah, try it.
Okay, flip it back. Flip it back. Come over here.
This is great.
Should you take a picture of us?
Yeah, wait. Okay, let me stop it.
Ice, ice, baby. Ice, ice, baby. I've literally burned the entire fucking baby gate besides my fire poker stick. This is taking 30 years to do something. And then you're next. But yeah, little update. Power's still out.
This is something you'll only see in a Texas snowstorm. Don't be embarrassed.
If I told you my hair froze.
What are you doing?
It's building 13. Or is it 14? Whichever it is, y'all be easy, because I don't live here.
Don't take this smile to me.
Shit! Fuck. God damn.
This thing here, get it moving.
I'm trying to.
Look at that! We're in fucking Texas! It's not supposed to look like that in motherfucking Texas! It was 84 fucking degrees!
Only in Texas do the sprinklers go off when it's snowing. It should be fun in the morning. Yes, Texas snow day. Making an ice skating ring for us. Isn't that nice?
Texas right now. Y'all really think the Texas snowstorm is bad? This what Chicago snowstorms are like?
You guys, this is Austin, Texas, and it's snowing like full blizzard sticking to the ground. Oh my god, what the fuck?
Snowstorm in Texas means no groceries, no bread, no snacks, no meat, no cheese, no water. Priorities. Full parking lot of crazy Texans. I'll update y'all how much.
Yo, VIP.
Oh, yeah.
Let's kick it. Collaborate and be said. Is there anyone alive out there? Can anyone hear me?
Californians who recently moved to Texas, the Department of Tourism wants to welcome you. We might not have the fancy luxuries y'all are used to, like electricity or drivable roads, but there are so many fun things to do in Texas, like foraging for food when the grocery store shut down, bailing water out of your living room when the pipes burst, and moving your family into your car to stay warm. I hope none of y'all are vegan, because if this lasts for a few more days, we'll all be resorting to cannibalism. And don't forget that when this all melts, you need to watch out for snakes and scorpions. We hope you're all feeling good about your decision to move to our great state.
I just realized something about Texas. And I realized it because someone much more clever than me tweeted about it. There's a survivalist somewhere in Texas with 57 guns who can't get out of his house because he doesn't own a shovel. Wrecked by an army of snowflakes. Every Texan's nightmare.
So Texas is experiencing a really bad snowstorm. Holy shit. Well, this morning we woke up and electricity went out. My father, well, he didn't really take it very well at all. No, Daddy, it's not because of you.
It's just too much work.
All we gotta do is sit down and chill out.
How? And then the chickens are dying out there. Sit down, the chickens are dying, okay. Is that the fish you gotta die too? No bubbles?
I'll blow air bubbles.
No
Give me.
Yes, man.
How about you sit down? I'll bring the chickens in. Yeah.
Good.
It smells like white cedar and yucca. With this, we'll be relaxed.
So I live in Texas, and if you've never heard of it, it's the place that recently turned into the Arctic Circle. But we're gonna make the use of it, and I'm gonna show you guys how to make snow ice cream.
Make sure when you get your snow that it's from a spot that doesn't have any dirt or tracks in it. And if you see yellow snow and you think that's a good option for something that you're gonna eat, then that's called Darwinism, honey. Scoop up the snow that is directly on top and add it to your pot or bowl. I just took roughly what I thought would be enough for my husband and I, but technically this recipe calls for 8 cups.
Okay, let's get to work. 1 cup of milk, 1/3 cup of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Mix.
Mix, mix, mix.
Once your ingredients are all mixed together, add half your snow and continue to mix. Then add the second half and mix some more. It should look something like this. And presto, you've got yourself a cup of snow ice cream. And if you want to get snazzy with it, I even added some cute little sprinkles on top. Bon appetit!
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure?
Stay calm!
Wait.
Everybody calm down!
Janet, your favorite Youper coming at you, so I just wanted to come on here and check on my friends down in Texas. Are you guys okay? Got some snow down there. You know, I'm up here in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. We look like this. I live right up here in this little thumb, in the middle of Lake Superior. Shoot, you guys aren't used to this weather. Are you doing okay? You need some help? Need advice? Tips? Could send you my Youper scooper. Buddy up here, he's Youper scoopering his roof off right now. If you're from Texas, comment below. Let me know you're doing okay, okay? Sending you love here from the UP. I hope you stay warm for Pete's sake. People call me a little bit crazy because I love the snow, and I say, well, you got to be a little bit crazy to live somewhere that gets about 300 inches of snow each winter, you know, give or take 50 inches. Most normal people wouldn't choose to live here unless something was a little bit wrong with them, hey? You guys down in Texas, you stay safe, hey? Keep you updated on the Youper weather report.
Yeah, listen. We fucked up.
Power is out, heater is off, pipes are frozen. Ice. This is terrible.
Move to Texas, they said. It's so hot, they said. Oh, the summers are fucking unbearable, they said. Yeah, what about all this?
Check on your Texas friends. We're not okay.
The pipes got frozen. Now I have to melt the snow so I can use for the toilets. That's my life.
So basically, Texas had a major snowstorm, which it's not even that major because, I mean, let me show you. So, I mean, it's pretty snowy out here. By the way, this hasn't happened in like 11 years or some shit. So come with me to the store in a Texas storm. Oof, she wet. God fucking damn it. Oh my god, it's so cold. Ah! So I just got to CVS. Fun stuff, yeah. It's coming down a little bit, not too much. Ooh, red box. I was like at the top. So I went to Aldi, I got the goods, and now I'm having to wait in my car because I cannot see out my window. And that got covered in the time I was in Aldi. Bad idea, don't suggest this. She coming down. Home. My woman died. Tell me what to do. Wee. My woman died. Wee.